Hi, everybody. I'm Amy Wainwright, the head of research, learning, and outreach at Grasselli Library. And we at the library have put together this little tutorial video kind of talking about our resources and services that we will have available during this time of COVID. The first thing that we are asking you all is to take a really deep look at your syllabus. So specifically thinking about what will your students need during your course, what materials will they need to access, and what will you need to be able to support any synchronous meetings that you have, whether that's in person or online. We are expecting that there will be some difficulty providing physical materials. So this doesn't just pertain to books, this is also true for DVDs. The students actually requested CARES Act funding right at the beginning of the summer. And when the funding requests were analyzed, it was pretty clear that many of the requests for funding were to cover textbook costs. When students were sent home, basically they needed to purchase textbooks because previously students had been relying quite heavily on our textbook sharing program, which is true in any normal semester. We will not be providing the textbook sharing program this fall or during coronavirus because we are actually required to quarantine books or other materials that anybody has handled in between each use. So this also does apply for physical reserve items. We will not be providing physical reserves. However, we are encouraging all of you to still take advantage of using electronic reserves or e-reserves. So again, I'm just wanting to emphasize that everyone will have difficulty accessing physical materials. So what will your students have difficulty completing? What assignments, what papers will they have a difficult time completing without that physical access? OhioLink and ILL will be slower. OhioLink is pretty strictly for physical materials, and ILL can be both for physical and electronic items, but we're expecting a slowdown for both. OhioLink in particular, we're suggesting to give yourself at least two full weeks in order to get your materials that you've requested through OhioLink. So after all of that, we do have hopefully some things that can help you. The first thing is exploring open educational resources, or OERs. Mina Chaircourt, the librarian, is spearheading a project to collect OERs together in one place. They will live on a subject guide, and when that is completed and ready for you all, we will be sending an Inside JCU with the link to these open educational resources. And it should be ready within the next couple of weeks. I've also listed here some of the other products that we do pay for and may actually support your classes quite well. So Canopy, Safari Textbooks Online, and JSTOR. And we are absolutely exploring more subscription-based resources to support your teaching. In addition to these databases and subscription access, we are still able to directly provide support to your students. And that can look a couple different ways. The first way is we can help you when you are analyzing your assignments for your courses. So we can help you locate resources that may help you a little bit. We are also exploring a product from Credo called InfoLit Core, and there's also a health sciences aspect to it. These are a set of tutorials and instructions that can help students with information literacy aspects. They will be available through the database A to Z list or by contacting your librarian. These tutorials are really meant to support your teaching and to supplement any library instruction. They are able to be kind of pick and chosen, only using certain aspects of each little tutorial. We are still able to offer research assistance to your students. So sometimes that may be instruction happening over Zoom. We are planning to focus our instruction this year on first year students, research methods courses, and senior research projects. We also still offer one-on-one research consultations over Zoom. So students most often will meet with us when they're stuck in their research or maybe they have a specific question they need help with. We may be more limited, but we are still here for you. So please contact the library if you have any questions or concerns. If you need help, the library's website is still probably the best way to kind of find all of our information, or to contact your librarian, or email library@jcu.edu. And you're always welcome to chat and use our live service if you have any questions. Thank you.